this new product is an indirect way of engaging with or dabbling with Bitcoin. Does that mean the target audience for these index options is mainly those who are unable or unwilling to directly hold the asset, directly hold Bitcoin?
Yeah, I think that's right. It's very similar to the ETPs themselves. I think we're looking to build, like I mentioned, that ecosystem up. And so with this, you have an SEC regulated product. It sits in your securities account. It's centrally cleared by the OCC. All of the things that you would say, like, traditional market comforts offered in the Bitcoin asset class.
And if we're going to look at the options on IBIT, what can they tell us so far about how people are feeling towards Bitcoin? Because one thing I did is I looked on the terminal here, and you can see that it looks like people are pretty bullish. Like they're buying options that are sort of call options that are sort of out of the money. And there's even a couple call options at $100, which would mean Bitcoin would double because IBIT's $54 right now. And some of these are maturing pretty quickly, like February 25. What's going on there? Is that just mega bullishness?
Yeah, I think it's speculation, it's risk management, all the different things that options afford you. And I think the market is anxious for that. As you mentioned, it's growing quickly. I think many like the idea of a regulated product, something they're familiar with that can sit in their regular account, and securities account, and having access to that, I think, is exciting for people. And I think you'll continue to see kind of this demand grow. And that's one big reason why we wanted to bring out the index product, is listening to our customers, listening to our ETF or our ETP issuers saying, you have this traditional defined outcome market. A lot of investors have found a lot of utility in using products like that. They want exposure to Bitcoin. And so how do we marry the two? How do we bring the two together? And so with the creation of this index product, it's really kind of facilitating that growth and allowing some of these ETP issuers to take a traditional strategy that maybe sat in an equity portfolio and now overlay it on Bitcoin, which I think is super exciting.